We're getting ready to start our weekly hike. Today we're on the Bartram Trail beginning at Warwoman Dell near Clayton, Georgia, and we're hiking up the trail northward to Pinnacle Knob, which is really on a side trail off of the Bartram. So it looks like it's going to be a nice hike, and we're looking forward to it. This is our first waterfall of the day, Becky Branch. It's a beautiful little falls, a lot of water today. Nice footbridge. And then we'll be headed toward Martin Creek Falls for the next falls of the day. Getting on up a little higher elevation, and we see there's still a little snow here. They had a light snow in the mountains yesterday. Be interesting to see if it gets even deeper farther up. This is just a little dusting here. It's another great day for a hike. Continuing up the trail, it's always nice to see these huge boulders covered in bright green moss. A little creek here. We haven't seen any more snow lately. The sun's peeking through, and it's going to melt any snow that did exist. Next stop will be Martin Creek Falls. Giant white pine trees right on the edge of the trail. Beautiful. There's a lot of white pines and hemlocks in the area. The hemlocks have been attacked by the woolly adelgid pest and threatens to kill all the hemlocks in our area. It's really sad. This is Martin Creek, and it is really roaring today, so we look forward to the falls being real pretty with all this water. This is the footbridge below the falls. See, there's ice across this bridge, but it's beginning to melt. Walk carefully here. And from the viewing platform on Martin Creek Falls to get this nice view of the falls. Got plenty of water today. Beautiful little fall. And the majority of the population doesn't know this fall even exists, because it's several miles into the wilderness here, and you have to hike through it. It's a real blessing to see something this beautiful. Continuing along the trail up, still on the Bartram Trail, headed toward Pinnacle Knob, and we see there's still a little snow in areas, but the sky is cloudless. Beautiful day. We're now headed up Pinnacle Mountain to Pinnacle Knob, a very steep climb, where we have to just pace ourselves again. Here we're right to the rock face at Pinnacle Knob. Fabulous views. Just a great panorama view here on Pinnacle Knob. Black Rock Mountain over there above Clayton. And continuing on up into the North Carolina mountains.
So where is Camp Pinnacle?